Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect PayPal to GoDaddy website in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to do this connection between PayPal and GoDaddy. Of course, enabling PayPal as a payments method can increase your sales by providing a secure and widely used payments option for your customers. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to set up the PayPal on your GoDaddy websites. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and log in into your GoDaddy account. To do so, go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever suits you. Once you open that browser, basically you'll need to go to this URL section. Here, make sure to type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. This should take you into the main website right away. And of course, if it's your first time, instead of your name right here or your username, you'll find the sign in option. Click on it to sign in into an account if you have an account, and click on it and you'll find the sign up option at the bottom if you don't have an account to create a new account. You can use Google, Facebook, and I guess even Microsoft to create, or so you don't have to go through all the boring steps or while you're creating or even logging into your account. Once you logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll basically find yourself here. So once you are here, first of all, we would like, as we said, to connect PayPal to our GoDaddy website. So let's just go to our username at the top right corner. From there, I'll just go in their account and click on my products. If I do so, I'll find myself on this page. Here, as you can see, I'll find all the websites that I have. Basically, I'll just go and click on a random one, maybe as example, this one. I'll just go and click on that. And in here, of course, this like website is not a store, so PayPal, I don't think it's connected yet into it. Of course, I can always go and access the website builder and check how is the website is doing, and I can make the changes or customization that I want on my website and publish it whenever I want. For any other details about like building a website and etc., I've made a lot of videos on this channel about it. You can go and check it out. Of course, now, as we said, we would like to connect PayPal to GoDaddy website. To do so, all you need to do, go to this left panel. If you go to commerce right here, and then go to settings, you'll find yourself, of course, on the settings page. So all you need to do is simply wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time, as you can see. And let me just wait a little bit more. Okay, let me just try another page just in case. Yeah, so I'll just click on settings again and see if it's gonna load faster now. I don't know why. It should not take a lot of time. Maybe there's a problem with their website at the moment. They're doing some maintenance or something like that. But it does not matter, of course. We'll just have to wait a little bit. Of course, in the meantime, as an example, I'll just go here to ways to sell. If you go to ways to sell, as an example, you'll find yourself here. So here you'll be able, first of all, to add some products to your website. First of all, if you don't have any products on your website, because like if you don't have any products, what people people will not find anything to buy from your website, so they can pay with PayPal or something like that. So make sure to add some products. Example, import them. You can even import some products, example, from another store, like an Equid store, like from Amazon. If you have them even as a CSV file from another store, it will be even much better. So, like the Wi-Fi is working normally, and should be like good to go. I don't know why it's taken a lot of time. As I said, probably like GoDaddy having some issues or something like that. I'll just go and open incognito and see. Yeah, so their website is slow as an example at the moment because maybe they are doing some maintenance or something like that. Let me just go here and check. Yeah, so the Wi-Fi is great. I don't know why it's taking so long to do so. So basically, so you can, if you wanna like log in into or connects PayPal into your GoDaddy website, you'll basically have to click on settings, and after you click on settings, you'll have to click on payments options. If I go here on ways to sell, in the bottom option, as you can see, I'll find here manage settings, and I'll be able to click on payment. Once I click on payments, of course, it should normally take me to the same place where I'll find like the payments option, etc. Maybe it's about this website. Let me try another website. Maybe it's about this website. That's why it's don't want to load like the thing, the page. So let me just go and try here. What about the settings of this Omex store? Yeah. So okay, here it loads completely fine. Maybe it was just about my website. It's not good or something like that. So all I need to do here is simply go into payments methods. Once I do so, I'll be taken to another page. Okay, yeah, the website is slow a little bit, but it's fine. So once I've been taken to the payments methods, all I need to do is simply scroll down here. As you can see, you'll find GoDaddy payments. This is where you'll be able to accept credits and debit cards. If it's disconnected, of course, you'll be able to connect it. Of course, you will get or they will get some fees per transaction, which is 2.7% plus 30 cents. I guess it's very, very like cheap. It's one of the cheapest that I've seen. And of course, they can accept all major credit cards and debit cards, plus Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Pays if people want to pay. And there's no hidden fees. And of course, you can get 24/7 GoDaddy like support. Of course, you can disconnect it whenever you want and connect it. But we said we would like to add PayPal. PayPal is not included here. So all I need to do is scroll down a bit. And as you can see, accepts PayPal. So accepts PayPal from your customers at 9 plus 30 cents per transaction and no monthly or setup fees. As you can see, you can check the fee table or if you want to, as an example, about anything. So for PayPal, it's going to be this one, plus 30 cents. So all you need to do is simply click on connect, enter your PayPal email address as an example. I don't know, maybe as an example, I'll just enter that one in here, .com, click on save. Once I click on save as examples, so it will be right away connected. Make sure the email that you connected is the same that you're using on your email. So PayPal as example, so I'll just go here to paypal.com. I'll click on login and make sure it's the same email. So once people try to send you money, they'll just click on pay and PayPal or GoDaddy will automatically send money to your PayPal account right away. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.